guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we finally got another build after we got the Subaru. This car is hit in the side, has the fender, maybe a little bit in suspension, the front bumper, a little bit in the hood, but most importantly this car has frame damage right over here, and there's a big gap on this motor right here. The car runs. So we got the car off the auction, it's on the trailer, and then we quickly found out that there was no oil in the motor, so we quickly put some oil, about 3 quarts roughly, and we filled it up. Oh, this car has 2 keys. Well, it has multiple keys. Hey, the car runs. Let's go. This car has leather seats. This is the first Forester we have that has leather seats, and carpet came with the car. And it has the book as well, bro. So far this car is pretty good. Let's go. The car runs, has gas. Let's go, free gas. Already know the vibes. Alright, we're out of the trailer. Put the hood down, please. Thank you. Alright, so we made it here. About to put the car inside, put the car in drive.
Por favor, ya, no se pasan de ahí ni medio minuto.
Alrighty, so we just started to go straight ahead and try to take out the humongous dent in the bumper, which actually came out right away just by heating it up with pressure, and with my dad's hand he quickly took out the big old dent that was there, and now you can see how far the fender is from where it's supposed to be. Then we have started to take the car apart by taking out the fender flares, and this fender flare has about like say 4 screws on it, using a star screwdriver to take it all out. Oh.
I have to look for I got a little screwdriver.
What is this scooter?
Then we took the torch and tried to see if we could save the fender flare that came originally on the car, or maybe we just might buy another one. We'll see, depending how bad it is. And we got it pretty straight, not gonna lie. Then we took this tool I used to pull anything, to be honest, and tried to pull out the fender. Like that we can open the door without damaging the door at all. It's the best way to do it. Like that, you know, you don't have to do any body work to the door, and it came out literally right away, which was insane. It was really quick. Then we have taken out the inner fender and the side skirt for the car. Like that we can have access to take out the fender, which we did here. Pretty beat up. Then we decided to start working on the front bumper, taking it out, which was pretty simple. It was destroyed. Just taking out the top clips on the grill. As you can see we're doing right now. It's loose. Now all I have to do is force myself to get it out on this side, holding it with one hand, and there you go. The bumper is pretty much out, as you can see right here.
Alrighty, so a lot of work has been done to this thing. We've taken out the front bumper, headlight on the skirt. We took out the skirt, or whatever you like to call it. It's all been taken out, and now we're going to be checking out everything and oh my gosh, and try to start pulling this out and try to start pulling the chassis out. Probably will be pulling out the chassis in the next video, we'll see. Also, this radio support, and that is all bent. So yeah, suspension, forgot to record it, but we have a bent tie rod end right there.
And we decided to start pulling out the bumper reinforcement bar. We took the heat torch and started heating the piece of metal up, which needs to be very heat up. Then we decided to also start pulling it with this chain puller, and also put a red bar like that the car doesn't move forward with this wonderful iron that we have to the ground. Now here you can see we're pulling it, trying to pull out the big crease that it has, and as you can see, it needs to be very, very hot.
So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got a lot of work done on this part right here. Next video we're going to be doing probably the framework, loosening everything up, aligning everything. Is a big process when you're doing framework, but in the next video we're probably going to be doing that. Cutting this video somewhat short because today is my birthday, so if you want, you could go down in the comment section below, give me some love, you know, say happy birthday or whatever, because when this video is going live, it's actually my birthday, which is February 5th. But all that aside, gotta give you guys a great thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and comment down below what's your thoughts, what y'all want in the next video, what y'all want to see, and yeah, gotta catch you in the next video. Peace and God bless.